There's an unspoken rule in the tech world: never make your cheapest product better than your expensive one. But in 2026, Apple is about to shatter that rule. Because the latest leaks suggest the M5 Mac Mini isn't just an upgrade. It's a direct threat to Apple's own high-end machines. If you're a creator, a developer, or a power user, listen closely. Apple may have accidentally built a computer that kills the Mac Studio. A machine so powerful, so efficient, and so cheap. It could save you thousands of dollars. And the evidence is stacking up. The current Mac Mini is already compact and elegant. But the M5 version is expected to take that same tiny shell and inject it with Apple's most aggressive silicon yet. Leaks suggest the M5 chip is derived from Vision Pro's spatial computing architecture. That means it's designed to process multiple high-resolution data streams simultaneously. Put that kind of silicon in a desktop, and things get crazy fast. We're hearing about a 45% jump in GPU performance on the base model alone. That means the rumored $599 Mac Mini in 2026 could outperform $2,000 MacBook Pros from just a few years ago. That's not normal progress. That's Apple trying to dominate the entire desktop market. But the real story is the M5 Pro. Leaks point to 16 CPU cores and up to 22 GPU cores. Specs that land dangerously close to the Mac Studio. And here's the problem: if a $1,399 Mac Mini M5 Pro delivers 60% faster graphics and 24 GB of unified memory, why would most people ever buy a Mac Studio again? Now add the part nobody is talking about enough: AI. The M5 is rumored to include a significantly upgraded neural engine. This isn't just for Siri. This is for local AI models, image generation, video analysis, and coding assistance, running directly on your machine, without subscriptions. The M5 Mac Mini may become the first true AI home computer. Physically, nothing changes, and that's a good thing. Same 5x5-inch footprint, mature accessories, easy mounting. But internally, the M5 is far more thermally efficient than M4, meaning near-silent performance, even under heavy load. The launch? Leaks point to June 2026. If you're buying a Mac today, you may be buying tech that's about to feel outdated, fast. The M4 was the redesign. The M5 is the refinement. And history shows these are the Macs that last a decade. So tell me, is the M5 Mac Mini the smartest Mac Apple has ever made? Drop your thoughts below, subscribe for more leaks, and hit the bell. Because this one changes everything.